What's going on, E-World? Good morning time, good evening time, whatever the case may be in your part of the world. Okay, so today is a pretty good day because I wasn't expecting this today, but I'm glad it came today. I'm gonna do a little unboxing here, which I normally don't do too much of on my channel, but this is kind of special unboxing for me, and right on time for Father's Day. Now, unfortunately, when most guys do unboxings, they have a complete project because most of those guys are doing things Big Willie style, and I don't do things Big Willie style, not all the time. I used to, but not in my old retirement age. But I do things DIY now. This is a DIY channel, and unfortunately I can't buy complete products, so I have to buy stuff and build it myself. So yeah, that being said, anyway, this is something I ordered that I can start working on myself. And oh, okay. Oh wow, so it doesn't open up like I thought it was going to open up, but anyway, what we have here is the beginnings to my bomber bike. So like I said, it's not a complete bike here. This is the frame. I've been buying stuff piece by piece, and wow, that looks pretty nice and heavy duty. So yeah, I bought this stuff like this so I can build my bike piece by piece. So this is my enduro frame, and I bought the fat bike enduro frame, of course. I'm not gonna have the little skinny mountain bike wheels. I'm gonna have some big old fat tire wheels on my enduro bike. As you can see, it this is the fat tire dropout, and this is the big old heavy duty frame. So this is one good piece down, and yeah, a lot more to go. So this is just step one. Yep, so that's it. It ain't much to my unboxing, but yeah, I'm just happy to have this. So that means I can get started. And I forgot, I don't have a seat or anything with this. So yep, I gotta buy a seat. I got a lot of stuff to buy, but it's all good. We getting started. So deuces. It's a Crooked Finger production. Y'all know what it is. We out.